Batho ba borwa dumelang gape. On Sunday, I had made a video calling my people to stand together in defense of the one and only Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. And I said, these people are going to go out of their way to try and disable him financially, to try and put him down emotionally, and make him lose his job. I see a whole lot of people coming out, shooting videos. Yes, yeah, you are within your right to shoot a video. But I think this is high time that we stop talking and act. I had made a call out that we should have a skwamanyana, a fund where we would just be putting in money, getting ready for war, because this is war. This is war, and anyone can lose, but Nhlanhla. Nhlanhla cannot lose this one. We have to stand by him, support him, because we know that they are going to disable him financially. They take away the job from him. They will take away the benefits from him. And Nhlanhla is not about benefits here. He is saying, I'm putting my country first. I'm putting my people first. So let us stop talking and have a fund where we will put in money so that come the time when he's being taken to court or he's being suspended and he's without a salary, that fund will be able to help him and his family. And not only that, I've seen people like coming out and the analyst coming out and speaking about how much he had no right to have spoken out. There were channels, there was protocol, and sometimes protocol waste time. Sometimes protocol waste time, because the very same people that he was supposed to have spoken to are the same people that have been suppressing him, the same people who have been treating him bad, the same people who have been shutting him down. So which other way was he supposed to go about it? I'm appealing to my people that we should stop talking. Nhlanhla emoted the way that it fitted him. Should he have not emoted, we would not have known, we would not have felt the pain. I don't know since when does emoting have a prescription. You can't cause me pain and want to tell me how to react to it. Let us stand up, my people. I'm appealing to you. Let's stand up, support this young man, and support the people that he is working with. I am appealing to you. Let's get together. Let us not be talking all the time. Talking has never resolved anything. It's only when we stand up and act that people will see that we mean business. As for Nhlanhla is coming with a sideshow. He was discharged without honor for corruption. He comes back and now he's also now going to have his own expose tomorrow. Hey, we don't want to listen to you, Nhlanhla. We've had enough from Nhlanhla. Our ears now are literally blocked, and purposely so. We are being purposeful, blocking our ears. We are not listening to you, Nhlanhla. Go and speak to somebody else. Rona, we have had Nhlanhla, and some of the things we know. So please, just don't waste our time. I've raised my hand, and I want other people to raise their hands. Those with know-hows in the legal fraternity, in the world of communications and PR, any skills that would be able to help this young man overcome this nonsense. Let's get together. Babangu, you have just the wisdom to come and advise. Please, young and old, rich or poor, let us get together and help this situation. Nhlanhla is not going to go down this alone. We will come with him, no matter what it will take. Thank you.